check. Never chase a bitch. Mask on, fucking mask on. Mask on, fucking mask on.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maharani Apriliani and my partner is
Kansana Diarifda.
This video is our final project for the cross-culture understanding course. In this video, we will analyze Disney Mulan from an intercultural communication perspective. Through this movie, we can see how culture influence communication, social expectation, gender roles, and human behavior.
Let's begin by looking at the cultural values and communication patterns represented in the movie.
I choose Mulan because it is a Disney movie based on the Chinese legend of Hua Mulan. The movie presents various cultural values, social norms, communication styles, and gender expectation. It also provides many examples that can be analyzed through cross-cultural understanding. Therefore, Mulan is an interesting movie to study because it shows how culture influences the way people communicate and interact with others.
This movie is related to several chapters discussed in cross-cultural understanding. These chapters include cultural context, Asian context, intercultural communication, verbal and non-verbal communication, speech acts and politeness, parameters of politeness, and male-female relationship. This concept help us understand how culture influence communication, social interaction, and behavior throughout the movie.
One of the most important culture values shown in Mulan is family honor. In traditional Chinese society, family reputation is highly valued. Respect and obedience towards parents are strongly emphasized, and family interests are often prioritized over individual desire. This can be clearly seen when Mulan decides to take her father's place in the army. Her decision reflects loyalty, responsibility, and sacrifice for her family. These values represent an important part of traditional Chinese culture.
The movie also reflects several characteristics commonly found in many Asian cultures. Respect for elders play an important role in daily interaction. Social hierarchy influence how people communicate and behave toward one another. Family obligations are highly valued and collective interests are often prioritized over personal interests. These characteristics reflect cultural values that are commonly found in many Asian societies.
Another important aspect shown in Mulan is gender roles. Women are expected to obedience, polite, and prepare for marriage, while men are expected to become protectors and warriors. This expectation creates different social roles for men and women. However, Mulan challenges this traditional expectation by joining the army and proving her abilities. The movie shows how gender roles can influence opportunities and social expectations.
Verbal communication in Mulan reflects the cultural values of respect and hierarchy. Characters frequently use respectful and formal language, especially when speaking to parents, elders, and authority figures. Communication is influenced by age, status, and authority. Expression of obedience and respect are commonly used throughout the movie. This shows how language reflects the importance of hierarchy within society.
Besides spoken language, nonverbal communication also plays an important role in the movie. Bowing is used to show respect to elders and authority figures. Facial expression communicate emotion and intentions, while body posture reflect politeness and social position. Gestures also strengthen the meaning of spoken message. These nonverbal elements help character communicate without using words.
Politeness is an important aspect of communication in Mulan. Throughout the movie, characters use request, apologize, gratitude, and promise in their interaction. Respect toward parents and authority figures is clearly demonstrated. Politeness is influenced by age and social status, and communication reflects cultural expression and social hierarchy. Polite behavior helps maintain respect and harmony within society.
The conversational style in Mulan tends to be formal and respectful. Characters often consider age and social position before speaking. In some situations, indirect communication is used to avoid conflict and maintain harmony. Respectful expressions are commonly used in conversations. Respectful expressions are commonly used in conversations, reflecting traditional cultural values and social expectations.
The movie also presents examples of misunderstanding and conflict. One major example occurs when Mulan hides her identity in order to join the army. Society underestimates women's abilities because of traditional gender expectation. As a result, cultural norms create tension and conflict throughout the story. This misunderstanding occurs because individuals are judged based on social assumptions and stereotypes.
Mulan is a good example of intercultural communication. The movie introduces Chinese cultural values to audience around the world. Through the story, viewers can learn about different cultures' perspective, traditions, and social norms. The film promotes understanding of culture diversity and helps audiences appreciate cultures that may be different from their own.
From this project, I learned that culture has a strong influence on communication and behavior. I also learned that gender roles are shaped by social and cultural expectation. In addition, I realized that respect and politeness can be expressed differently across cultures. Most importantly, this project helped me better understand intercultural communication film.
In conclusion, Mulan reflects important Chinese cultural values and tradition. Communication in the movie is influenced by cultural and social factors. Verbal and non-verbal communication play important roles in social interactions. The movie also shows how gender roles and politeness influence communication patterns. Therefore, Mulan is a strong example of intercultural communication in movies and helps audiences understand cultural diversity.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope this analysis provides a better understanding of how culture influence communication and how films can be used as a medium for intercultural learning. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.